you guys. This is my fun toy. Got from the Christmas party. And I got these chips. Really cool. And also got 2 new babies, but I'll show you that in the next episode. So bye. SpongeBob.